Welcome back to episode 4 of Upcycled Interiors. Today I'm going to show you how I upcycle my old figurines. I'm also going to show you a trick to decorate when you haven't got any paint or spray paints in the house. Here's some things you're going to need. Let's take a bowl, one that you're definitely not going to want to use again, unless it's for a craft like this, and fill it with cold water. Decide what colour nail polish you want to use and pour into the water. Take in your chosen stirrer, drag across the surface of your water about 3 times to make a marbling effect. With your figurine, choose where you want to dip to get the marbling effect. I'm going to give her a new jacket, so I'm going to hold the head so I don't get any polish on my hands. I'm going to dip in a nice sweeping motion. Once you've dipped, place it in a safe place to dry, remembering nail polish will damage a surface. So I've used some old tins. I'm going to do this process again, but you will need to change your water every time you dip a figurine. So I've just repeated the process with my second one. While the figurines are drying, I'm going to show you how to cut out and put together our miniature bags, which you can download off our website. And we're going to use these to decorate the figurines when we're finished. I've got my cutout. I'm going to take a ruler and I'm going to use it for its straight edge to bend the card of the bag to give it a really nice defined straight edge on all the flaps. I'm going to take my adhesive and I'm going to start by running the adhesive along all the flaps, and then I'm going to bend it round and start gluing it together. And there you have it, a miniature bag, but this bag needs some handles. I'm going to be using this green gardening string. You can use anything from ribbon to small bits of cord, anything that's small enough to make a doll's handle. I'm going to cut 2 equal lengths of the string, placing your bag on its side, run across the lip with your glue. There we go. I'm going to turn it over and do the same to the other side. There you have your little miniature bag. You can also take some tiny bits of tissue paper and fill out the bag. I think that finishes them off lovely. I've made a few bags up from the sheet, so now I'm going to decorate my figurines. It really is as simple as that. If you do make any of these crafts in this series, please tag us so I can share them with our followers. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Until next time, I'll see you by the pool.